In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a dashboard in Jira, whether you're looking to replicate a dashboard layout for a different project or maintain a consistent format across teams. These steps will guide you through the process clearly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to go to your Jira homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your Jira projects, tasks, and of course dashboards. Once you're there, look to the left panel of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Dashboards. Click on that. It will expand to give you a couple of choices. What you want to do next is click on View All Dashboards. This will bring up a list of all the dashboards that you have access to. Now that you can see all the available dashboards, the next step is to locate the dashboard you want to copy. Scroll through the list until you find it. Once you've identified the correct dashboard, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots next to it. This icon is often referred to as the More Actions icon, and it's your gateway to a variety of options. Click on this icon to proceed. A drop-down menu will appear when you click on the More Actions icon. Among the options listed, you'll find Copy Dashboard. Select this option and Jira will initiate the process for copying your dashboard. As you proceed, you're going to be asked to provide a unique name for your newly copied dashboard. Now, this isn't just a formality. The name you choose should be something that easily identifies the dashboard's purpose or differentiates it from others if you're managing multiple projects. After naming your dashboard, it's important to add a brief explanation of its purpose. This description will help anyone using or accessing the dashboard understand what it's meant to achieve or track. It's always good practice to make this as clear and concise as possible. Then comes the part where you determine permissions. You need to decide who can view and edit the dashboard. Permissions are crucial because they define the level of access different team members have, ensuring that sensitive information is only visible to appropriate personnel. If you're not sure who should have which permissions, a good rule of thumb is to confer with your team lead or project manager. Finally, once you've set permissions, you're ready to finalize the copy. Just click on the Save button, and your new dashboard will be stored among your other dashboards. You can access it anytime by returning to the View All Dashboards section. And that's all there is to it. Following these straightforward steps will allow you to efficiently copy a dashboard in Jira, paving the way for seamless project tracking and reporting. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.